Hey friends, in this video I will show you how I went viral on TikTok and jumped up to 60,000 followers as a programmer, and I promise no dancing is needed. Probably you will find how to reuse this for your as well, and let's jump to computer and take a look on some statistics. And before we dive in, hi, if you are new here, my name is Aivars, I'm freelance and indie iOS developer located in Latvia, that's North Europe, so let's dive in. I am not the first day on the TikTok. I posted first video on the TikTok back in 2019. That was video where I was just played with coffee, some fancy edit when I threw coffee beans in the mug and it became coffee. So I was thinking that this will be a really nice video for TikTok. Sorts out that is not. Short story, what else I did on TikTok? I tried different kind of videos and I posted one video which went viral. That was video from Aqua Park in Tenerife during my vacation, and that video went kind of viral. I got 400,000 views. Quite a lot, and got more than 1,000 followers, 1,500, something like that from that one video. Huge success, agreed, but I have three main points what I like to, no, three, not four, three main points what I like to discuss in this video. Stick with your niche. I am basically in programming. I am posting about programming on YouTube, I am posting about programming on Instagram, and this one video with Aqua Park, I got, I don't know, 1,500, almost 2,000 followers from that one video. And guess what? That audience wasn't interested in my content at all. They do not care about programming. They care probably about aquaparks, probably about fast and fun stuff, and that wasn't in my videos. So if you're a programmer, stay with programming. If you are accountant, keep talking about accounting, okay? Also, there are quite a few interesting trends on TikTok and so on. I jumped on one trend. I liked that video, but I followed a trend, but still were staying in my niche. Basically, those were shots from Instagram with my desk setup, and that was it. So if you are following trends, still stay in your niche while you are following trends. Okay, but let's take a look on video which went viral. That video was about programming, and that video today have already 2.4 million views. So I'm living in country with population with less than 2 million. So that's a lot for me. That's huge. And how that was working? Let's take a look on statistics. In statistics, I see that I have huge jump in followers. I posted this video on May 13, 2021. Before that video, 0 subscribers daily, even -1, +0 and so on, plus 29 subscribers, already good, plus 200 something subscribers. So basically TikTok were testing this video to see if that's working or not, and here it comes, huge spike in followers, and basically the same in the views. My 13, 4,000 views, already good. My 15, 35,000 views, great. Then everything went down. I was thinking, okay, that is it, that was a nice video, nothing happened. And then one day, bumps, 160,000 views, bumps, 807, a lot of views. Basically, this peak is when that video went really viral. And if we will go to detailed statistics, you may see that huge part of viewers are from Russia. Actually, thanks for them, for big commenting. Спасибо, ребята. By the way, I can speak Russian as well. And basically where we are on 60,000 case. So, nice numbers. So, we proved that this video went viral, we saw statistics, so, but why it went viral? So I have some thinking behind that. So firstly, what to do when you like to get video viral, like this one. What I did in that video, basically I edited for TikTok. Very fast cuts. If you compare with that first coffee video, that coffee video was way too slow. I could recreate that video today, but with understanding how to edit for TikTok, that should be way faster, more action, more movement and so on. So fast cuts, that is one. Another one, record videos vertically, because that video just looks different, you have different framing and so on. I saw plenty of YouTubers do that, they record YouTube video and after that slice that for TikTok, Instagram and so on and post across the platforms. That kind of work if you already have that video and you can just repurpose and you have this video anyway, so kind of why not? But if you like to have a great video for TikTok, record for TikTok. And music, I think that music is very important and audio is very important for TikTok as well. Even quite a big part of viewers are watching without music. Those who are watching music really make that video better. And in my edit I use it just to add drama. I wanted to create this video very dramatic and that worked in a way. I will say why. You can use your own audio, that's nice, but also you can use trendy music from TikTok and that also helps just to try to get onto the viral train of videos and get into the recommended videos. Because if you take a look on statistics once more, so most of the views for this video was from For You page. Basically those are TikTok recommendations. If you take all the other videos, this one for example, also kind of trending, there you can see already half of the viewers are from followers and For You is 33% only. And why music? I think that music was a little bit kind of a provocation in this video, because that video was looking so dramatic and basically I was working on kind of basic stuff. I created just login screen and I followed just tutorial to implement login screen. I got a lot of comments why so much drama in so simple development. Yeah, but comments help because it shows TikTok that this video is interesting for audience and they're coming to video and commenting that. And also big win was that this was unfinished screen and I didn't finish all the animation for few buttons on the screen. I got a lot of comments, fix align for the buttons. That was so fun. I got a ton of comments and I believe that drama in this video was not drama, and place for comments for this alignment that really boosted the views on this video. You know the joke, if you have problem on Stack Overflow, create 2 accounts. From one account go and post question, from other account go and post wrong answer. And then you will get a lot of feedback from users who will say that your answer is wrong and will provide answers. If you just post question, you will see way less answers. So that works kind of in the same way. Yeah. There was provocation and that was working, yeah. But yeah, be friendly, do not bully, do not replay to hate comments or use those hate comments to replay with videos. What I also did, I replayed few comments with videos and those videos also did perform very well, and again I got more and more followers from those videos as well. So that's kind of my recipe how to try go viral to the TikTok, but let's talk why. Why do you need TikTok? This place still growing. TikTok growing rapidly fast. There are a lot of eyeballs and a lot of people are watching content. If you will create interesting video, TikTok will show that to the audience. You can see from my statistics that there were some views and TikTok tested that video, and when TikTok kind of checkmarked that, yeah, this video works, more and more audience get this video into the recommendations. Your video will be tested, and if that will works fine, you will get audience for your video. Also, growing is rapidly fast. As you see, I went viral with one video and got to 60,000 followers on TikTok. Basically, I will say in a few months, right? In the same time, I'm posting on Instagram for more than 2 years, almost every day. There are posts, reels, stories, whatever, and guess what? Where I am on Instagram. That is good as well. I totally agree that is not bad, that is perfect. 58,000 followers, but those are more than 2 years of daily posting on Instagram. Basically, you see difference, how fast you can grow on TikTok and how much time it will take on Instagram. So, but why? Why to grow on TikTok or Instagram or somewhere else? Basically, that is a nice place to sell your products. If you have any, for example, I'm selling those hats. If you like to get one, there are links in the description of the video, check that out. Yeah, I sold quite a few hats through TikTok. I posted video about kind of advertising my hat, telling the story how I created it. Yeah, and I got quite a few sales from TikTok. And also you can sell and promote your services. If I would look for freelance jobs, I would share more about freelancing and how and tell that I'm looking for customers and so on. Even without doing that, I got quite a few offers in comments and DMs on Instagram with offers to start some projects. So that works as well. If you're not sure that you need presence, online presence, social network and so on, check out video about why social presence is important for developers and almost everyone, basically everyone. Check that video. I'm talking in that video in more details about importance of social presence and why I am on social networks. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next one. Bye.